my dear teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to make Woodapple Jam as my project. I am Mihin from grade 6C. To prepare Woodapple Jam, we need woodapple, sugar and water. First, you need to break the shell and take the input out. Now, we need to remove the seeds and make a fruit pulp. For that, now I am going to blend with some water. See how I am removing the seeds. You have to weigh the pulp. We need to add sugar to the fruit pulp. Now I have 1 kilo of fruit pulp and 1 kilo of sugar. Now I have placed the mixture onto the fire. Now I am mixing it until the right time. You have to stir the mixture until the right thickness comes. Now you can see the mixture had become more thicker. Now I am going to switch off the fire. Now I am going to keep it until it becomes cool. Use glass bottles to store jam. Here you can see Woodapple Jam. It is 100% natural, as I didn't use any artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. It gives real taste.